Please welcome Dr. Z. Paul Lorenc. Welcome, doctor. 16 years you have been doing this, treating patients, the famous, the not famous, with the plastic surgery. Craziest request you ever got?
Well,
How about what does the Z stand for?
Zbigniew. Sorry to pronounce that.
Oh, no wonder you dropped it. Go ahead.
I have a patient who has a dog. She loved her dog, and unfortunately the dog needed surgery at the animal center.
Oh.
She wanted me to come into the operating room, close the incision to give her dog a perfect scar.
That's weird.
Then I had a patient, a well-dressed man in his 60s.
I'm sorry I asked you to do that.
She would, yes.
I think she would at least dream of it.
I also had a patient who was a very well-dressed man in his 60s, and he was talking to me about a facelift. And he wanted to hire me to do his facelift, but he also wanted to have a standby plastic surgeon in the room just in case something happened to me.
Advice of do's and don'ts. Go through some of them. What are the operations you think people should not have? What are the do's and don'ts? Give us 2 or 3 of them.
Well, as far as operations, I think putting Gore-Tex, for instance, in your lip, it's wrong.
Gore-Tex?
Gore-Tex,
which jackets
or bathing
suits. It's exactly the same material, but if you put something that's rigid, that's hard, in an area that should be soft, lush, kissable, it's like kissing a brick.